Okay, so for the second video, we're trying to draw My Melody. Daddy will draw first and Fia will gaya Daddy.
Mine was ang pangit earlier.
Okay, yours is pangit.
And you
Let's see. Okay. Daddy will draw it first. Okay, let's see. Start with this. Try it. Ganyan. And draw a circle. This is the flower. Remove this. Go. Very good. And then do it like that. Then the face. The eyes.
Mine is not even condo.
And then the nose. And then the mouth.
Anda pa yung maako my mouth.
Oh, the mouth. Small mouth. And the chaleco. Oh, just like that. Very good.
My mouth is not good.
Alright. It's also pretty. And the other one to the side. Oh.
Stop.
Go.
Why did you kita?
Go.
Ito turquoise.
Go. Gaya.
Look at my foot.
Ikaw nga. Dito muna dito. Yan. Very good. How about the other feet? Very good. That's it. Thank you. Hello, my melody.
Hello, my
Hi,
melody.
melody.
Look at my
This is Fia's my melody. This is Daddy's my melody. Click like if you want that. If you like Daddy better or Fia's better.
Daddy, do you like Daddy better?
Why? They like this better. This is the best. Fia's my melody.
Look, I not like that.
It's so nice. She looks
How
like my
about
melody.
in my eye?
Okay, next up is Cinnamon Roll.